If you want to start dropshipping, but you basically don't want to use Shopify because of their fees, maybe you're too young to own a credit card, well, Gumroad is a solution for you. Now, if you go over here to gumroad.com and then go over to pricing, what you will actually see is no pricing, no hidden fees, no monthly charge. This is a free platform that allows you to actually sell for free. Well, it's not really free. They actually take 10% plus additional 50 cents additional per transaction, or basically when someone purchases something from you, they take 10% off plus 50 cents. And here I'm not quite sure, but basically this is taken only into consideration when you find a customer through your website. For example, you promote it on social media, but it's 30% more when someone finds it through Gumroad search. Basically, if you go over here to home, you can see all of these different products. So if someone finds your product here and purchases it, they will take 30% more. However, if you promote the product, they will take 10 only. So yeah, this is pretty cool.